we are discussing diversity in living organisms. In that, one activity is there, application of monocot seed and dicot seed activity is there. Now, I will provide some monocot seeds as well as some dicot seeds. You can observe it and you have to follow my instruction. See, you have to try to break monocot seed. It means for monocot purpose, I am giving paddy seeds. Okay, I am giving these seeds paddy seeds. Actually, I am giving rice. Okay, where we get rice? In the paddy seeds only we get rice now. So that's why I am giving rice. It means you think that you are having monocot seeds. And see, and next I am giving groundnut seeds, Nana. What I am giving? Groundnut seeds. Groundnut seeds I am taking as a dicot. Actually, these are dicot seeds. That's why for dicot seed purpose I am giving groundnut seeds. And monocot seeds purpose, which seeds I am giving? Paddy seeds I am giving. And here some other seeds also there. And Shena seed, Bengal gram seeds also there, Nana. You can observe Bengal gram seeds. And you have to think that which one comes under monocot and which one comes under dicot. And the characteristics of monocot seeds and dicot seeds, listen carefully. If the seed when we are trying to divide into two equal parts, if the seeds easily divide into two equal halves, that comes under dicot. If we can't divide the seed into two equal halves, that comes under monocot. మనం సీడ్ ని టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేయగలిగితే దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం? డైకాట్ అంటాం. టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ ఉండాలి, ఒకరికి ఎక్కువ ఒకరికి తక్కువ ఉండదు. మనం టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేస్తేనేమో అది డైకాట్, టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేయకపోతే అది మోనోకాట్. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ టుడేస్ యాక్టివిటీ వి విల్ సీ ద సీడ్స్ క్యారెక్టర్స్, dicot seed characters and monocot seed characters. In next activity we will observe the characteristics of monocot plants as well as dicot plants. Are you ready to do the activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Three boys come here and distribute the seeds. You can cover from here. Now we have to do. These are the Bengal gram seeds. Now I am giving these Bengal gram seeds also, Nana. You can distribute this side. You can distribute this side first, and you can distribute this side. Do it fast. Now we can pass the video. Start here. Nana, how many seeds now do you have?
3.
Can you say what are the seeds do you have now?
So there are 3 seeds: paddy seed and groundnut seeds and Bengal gram seeds.
Okay, now you have 3 seeds. Okay, what you have to do now? Now you have 3 seeds now. Now you can try to break those seeds into 2 equal halves. Everybody, now you have to try it to break into 2 equal halves. Now you can concentrate when they are trying to break 2 equal halves. Okay, now you can. Okay, you here. Press it.
Yes, perfect.
No, sir.
Is it possible to break into 2 equal halves?
No, sir.
No. Is it possible to break the groundnut seed? Is possible to break into 2 equal halves?
Yes,
Yes. And
sir.
the Bengal gram seed is possible to break into 2 equal halves?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now see, the groundnut seed and Bengal gram seeds. How many of you break into 2 equal halves? Those seeds? Groundnuts and Bengal gram. How many of you? Raise your hands. How many of you break those seeds into 2 equal halves? Very nice. Hands down. The groundnuts and Bengal gram comes under dicots. Those are comes under
Dicots.
Dicots. Why? Because the seeds which are able to divide The seeds which are able to divide two equal halves, those seeds are called as dicots. And the paddy seeds we can't divide into two equal halves. That's why the paddy seed comes under monocot. With the help of this activity, what you are understanding? Dicot seed we are able to divide into two equal halves. Monocot seeds we can't divide into two equal halves. Okay. Are you understand this activity? Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you.